Need help with your home improvement projects? These tips were made for you. No matter the experience that you have in your home business, you are going to benefit from the information that is included in the following video. These tips and tricks are going to help you make the most of the efforts that you have put into opening your very own home business. Check with a lawyer and an accountant to see what needs you have to address to operate a home business in your state. Look up your state's sales tax rate. You will need to set up your selling process to charge sales tax. Go online to get forms to file your sales tax return. When you have decided on what type of home business to start, think of a catchy and descriptive name for your business. Your business name should be something that will catch the attention of potential customers who are looking for that specific type of goods or service. For example, Betty's distinctive chocolates will attract the attention of people who are chocolate lovers. Keep an attitude that will bring you success in your home business venture. If you go about your day thinking of your home business as a hobby, you are not going to see the success that you would if you really considered it to be your real job. Keep a business attitude even when your business is in your home. Remember that any driving you do related to your business can be written off on your taxes. Keep a detailed log of any driving you do to perform your home business duties, whether it is picking up raw materials for products or driving to drop off a shipment. You might be surprised at what you get back. In order to have a successful home-based business, it is very important that you respond promptly to product requests such as emails. This will give the customer a read impression and will most likely bring them back to purchase your products again. This is a good way to keep a steady number of consumers. Stay organized when you start a new home business. There are many books and websites to help you with organization when you are a business owner. Find out the software that you will need to keep your records straight and make a list of the things you may need to get to help you along the way. Keep your expectations reasonable when working at home, especially when you first start out. Regardless of the many claims online that you can make $500 a day and such, you really cannot expect to even make ends meet until you have been working on your home business for quite some time, no matter what it is. Don't quit your day job. Now that you have knowledge of the tips and tricks that will help you in your home business venture, be sure to put them all to work for you. If you take the information that was included in this video and incorporate them into your business plan, you are sure to see the positive results that you seek. Student loan.